We are going to be demonstrating the steps of the rock cycle using different foods.
Okay, so first off, the three types of rocks are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And the way these are formed are due to lithification, melting, weathering and erosion, crystallization, and deformation. The first example is of lithification, and that is when it's the process by which sediments are compacted and solidify into sedimentary rock. So what Kate's doing right now is she's patting the cookie dough down and compacting it, so it's like lithification in that all the sediments and rocks and dirt are compacted into a smaller and confined. The next thing is weathering and erosion, and that's the process by which rocks at Earth's surface are broken down by wind, water, ice, and other elements of Earth into small particles. So we're going to show this by taking Oreos and putting them in a bag and crushing them and with a object. Yeah. And so they're going to be smashed into smaller pieces, showing erosion. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? Set, go. Sedimentation is the process by which materials are deposited into layers. So lithification and sedimentation and erosion are all the things that make a sedimentary rock. So right now we're making the layers of Earth's crust with the cookie dough, and this fruit roll-up is like the second layer, and then the Oreos that we just smashed are going to go on top, representing the dirt and the slightly less dense layer on Earth's surface. So that's okay. So there's like the different layers. You see that? Okay. And then, okay. Okay. Okay, so that's the different layers of Earth's crust. Yummy.
We'll be showing melting, and which is the process by which a solid rock transforms into a liquid magma due to heat. So we are going to take this solid Hershey bar and put it in the microwave to show it melting and turning into magma. Melting and deformation kind of go hand in hand, because deformation is the process by which forces act on rocks and transform them into different types of rocks, such as heat and pressure, creating metamorphic rock. So this is our magma, or chocolate, melted chocolate, that we are going to be putting into a glass and then putting into the freezer to show it turning into igneous rock and the magma hardening.
So this is the final product of the igneous rock. As you can see, it's hard and not liquid or hot anymore. And that represents the metamorphic rock turning into the igneous rock. And that's the rock cycle, everyone.